Imagine this. You're swimming in deep, open blue water. Suddenly, a dark shadow materializes beneath you. A dorsal fin breaks the glassy surface. It's a shark, and it is heading straight for you. Panic is your first natural instinct, but today, panic is your worst enemy. In this video, we will reveal the exact, expert-verified steps to survive this terrifying encounter. You need to know how to stop acting like prey, how to establish dominance, and the precise moment you must fight back. Your survival depends on the next 60 seconds. Subscribe right now so you are always prepared for nature's wildest scenarios. The very moment you spot the shark approaching, you must freeze. Do not turn your back and frantically swim away to shore. Frantically splashing water mimics a wounded fish and triggers their predatory chase instinct. Instead, take a deep breath and get vertical in the water column. Your primary goal right now is to maintain intense, unwavering eye contact. As the shark gets closer to investigate, you must expand your presence. Slowly, calmly stretch out your arms and legs to appear much larger than you actually are in the water. If you have equipment like a camera or a spear gun, hold it out stiffly between you and the shark to create a physical barrier. If the shark continues to close in rapidly and acts aggressively, you must defend yourself. Do not punch the nose. Water resistance makes it ineffective. Instead, claw fiercely at the sensitive eyes or strike hard at the gill slits. This is a last resort to shock the shark into realizing you are too much trouble to eat. Once the shark loses interest or turns away after your defense, do not immediately bolt for safety. Keep your eyes locked on the animal at all times while slowly, rhythmically backing towards safety, whether that's a boat, a reef, or the beach. Keep your movements smooth to avoid causing excess vibrations. Remember, most shark encounters are just curiosity, not hunger, but staying rational under pressure is key to survival. Now that you know how to handle a shark, what would you do if you were caught in a deadly rip current near the beach? Click the video on screen now to learn how to escape that common watery trap.